Hey everybody, my name is Jack.
Hi, and my name is Maria.
And we are here representing the Sports Nutrition Graduate Program.
By mixing our eggs, we're going to use 8 eggs with our sugar. We used here honey. Once that is all mixed for about 10 minutes, we're going to start adding all of our dry ingredients. So whole wheat, then baking soda, our spices, they're going to give it an amazing taste. We're using ground cloves, cardamom, orange peel. It's going to be all grated and mixed together, 2 tablespoons of that. And then don't forget about your potato starch. Mix it all pretty well together.
So now we got that all spread out. We're just going to top it with some nuts and dried fruit. Just like that.
You can make it as pretty as you want or just spread it.
And we're going to pop it in the oven at 350. Bake it for 30 minutes. Bye. Happy holidays.